Experiencing outgoing call failed with Ultra Mobile? This often stems from voice over LTE or VoLTE issues. Ultra Mobile relies on T-Mobile's LTE network for calls, so VoLTE must be enabled. First, check your phone's VoLTE settings. Under Connections or Mobile Networks, ensure VoLTE is toggled on. If it's already on, toggle it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Next, perform a network refresh by toggling airplane mode on for 30 seconds, then off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the network. If problems persist after these steps, move on to the next section for more advanced troubleshooting. If enabling VoLTE and refreshing the network didn't work, try a network reset. This clears cached data that may be causing call drops. On Android, go to Settings, then General Management, Reset, and Reset Network Settings. On iOS, navigate to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset and Reset Network Settings. Note, this will reset Wi-Fi passwords. If problems continue, the issue might be with your SIM card. Ensure it's properly inserted. Power off your phone, remove the SIM, inspect it for damage, and reinsert it securely. If you're still facing call failures, contact Ultra Mobile support. There may be a carrier-specific issue or a need for a SIM swap.